I'm back with another layout, and I have these two darling photos of my granddaughter, who is scrapbooking, sort of. They've kind of gone through a little phase of doing that at their house because Grandma scrapbooks. And she has a picture of me actually holding her baby brother, but she knows it's me and she's giving it a kiss. So cute. She is all about Grandma Kelly being the bomb right now, which is A-okay with me. So I mounted that photo, the two photos of her on that yellow paper, and I love the floral paper with this, and I was going to use a different background, but decided to actually emphasize purple, and she looks really great in purple, so I often think of her when I think of purple. So I'm using that background paper, which is the Bella Boulevard Bella Besties Hearts and Ombre plum paper. And then I took a piece of that floral paper, which is Ellie Studio Live Laugh Love, the floral paper from that, and put that on the background. And I'm not like loving the contrast between the floral paper and the purple paper, so I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do there. The striped paper there is another piece of Ellie Studio, but it's something I don't have the name of that. It was a scrap, I believe, if I remember correctly. Okay, so just kind of working on positioning that. And again, I'm still not loving the contrast between the purple and the floral paper. And that's when I decide, there's some green in that background, and I might like that a little bit better. So I go grab a piece of the Doodlebug Petite Prince, the grasshopper dot stripe, and I really like how that works with the purple. The green and purple look really good together. I know that because I have green eyes and wear purple eyeshadow often. It's one of the recommendations if you have green eyes. That is not why I knew that. I just knew that it needed a little help. It needed something a little bit darker to contrast with that purple background. And I do love the ombre there, and I like being able to see the ombre, like leaving lots of space there so that you can, around the sides, you can really see the gradation of the color changing. All right, now, so I think I'm running to grab an alphabet here. And kind of thinking about maybe some yellow letters. And then I didn't have anything that was buttery enough. A lot of my yellow was lemony. So I found this alpha is American Crafts Thickers. It is as old as the hills. I think it was from a Crate Paper Valentine collection years ago, because it was this kind of yellowy, really light yellowy, almost vanilla color on one side, and then it was pink. They had another alphabet exactly the same on the other side, but that was pink, and I believe I've used that one up. Yay me for using up a Thickers alpha. Anyway, this I think works really nicely with the more buttery yellow color. And that's one of those things, I just haven't been able to find Thickers in that more buttery yellow. I did think about putting them on the floral, but it totally would have just disappeared. So now I have some of my Queen & Company pieces out. I'm trying to play off some of the colors in there. So I have these red, they're made out of tulle. I don't even know what to call them. But I'm toying with using these on here. And then I have these purple flowers that I really like. Those are the layered flowers. And the rhinestones are a little bit off, so I'm going to fix those as I work with them. I took the red off. It was just too bright, and it called it too much attention to itself. So really all I was seeing was the red pieces, not the photographs, and I want to see the photographs. And the journaling is good too. So I'm putting 3 of these flowers on in 3 different spots. And my 2 on the bottom are almost the same, but I'm putting one a little bit higher than the other so that they're not directly across from each other. And then I grabbed my LE Studio labels that I have, and I'm adding one to the top left there so that I can journal just a little bit. And the Simply Adorable one I thought was cute because, of course, I'm her grandma. I think she is simply adorable. And then I'm looking for one more to put on the left there, and I find that date sort of arrow one. And then I'll just kind of play around until I have that right. Now, there were some hearts on that alpha, and I thought I would include them into the clusters here. And honestly, looking at them on screen now, I think they're okay. I was playing around with those quite a bit. I didn't really love them. So then I'm adding this purple bling from Queen & Company. I used them all up, and I forgot to write down what they were. And I did my sheet where I wrote things down later on. So I didn't write those down. But they're no longer available. I did check to see if I could find them on their website, but so you can't buy them anymore, but they sell all sorts of really cool bling and that kind of stuff. I think because Queen & Company is quite directed at cards, so this purple bling would be great on cards. I did take them off, and I'll put them back on. All right, so adding those in. Okay. And I really like the pop that green has added to this page. It just brings it up another level. That purple flower on the left side has gotten a little bit higher than I originally wanted it, but that's okay. And now adding the bling in. So I'll put 3 on each. I was going to say I used it up on this. I didn't use this up on this. I think I used it up on another, I did another page where I used it up on, but I don't have them anymore. It's been a while since I've done this layout, honestly, guys. So sometimes it's hard to remember exactly what you did or what you had. You can see I have quite a few different kinds of bling and pieces here. I went to a Queen & Company event a few years ago in Chicago, and it was really fun. And of course, the whole point is to shop. We did create cards and that kind of stuff, a couple layouts. It was very cool, but yeah, the big thing was to shop. Okay, so now I'm just getting these pieces down. I had the red things are full of glitter, so I had glitter all over that page, and I was trying to get it off there. Trying those hearts again to see if I like them. And you can see right there I took them off. All right, guys, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.